What's going on, guys? Brandon here, Legacy Group Real Estate Team. We have your December 2019 real estate market update for Genesee County. Let's jump right into this thing. I always preface every single market update for years now with two things, and it is we have 3 years of data. That way you can see a pattern. The trend is your friend. Remember that always. You want to be able to see the pattern. 1 year data is not going to make any difference, right? And then we have the month in arrears because now we have the data fresh off the press, ready to go. So let's jump right into this thing. Days on market is the first one. 53 2 years ago, 52 days last year, 54 days this year. So kind of staying steady in the low 50s there. And this is average days that a home sits on the market in Genesee County. Remember that. Number of active homes sold, 566 2 years ago, 828 last year, and 812 this year. That is a 1 day sample though. So that's that 1 day data was taken, how many active homes are on the market at that time. So again, we can see a little bit more. These last couple of years in general, these 3 years you're going to see for all the counties, the inventory has been very low in general. So you're going to see some variations, but probably not too much. Months of inventory is MOY, and that's at the rate homes are selling, how long would it take to sell every last home with no new homes coming to the market. We had 1 last year, or 2 years ago, 2 last year, and then 2 this year. And again, just so you guys know, 1 to 3 months is a seller's market, 4 to 6 is even a balanced market, and then 7+ is a buyer's market, meaning there's a lot of inventory and not as many buyers. New listings, this is the number of new listings that actually came on the market the whole month. 293 2 years ago, 379 last year, and 344 this year. So again, we're seeing a little bit of a decrease in December this past year. So it'll be interesting to see going forward. Dollars per square foot. This is if you take your square footage, you multiply it by this number right here, it'll give you about what your home is worth, your value. Now, if you need an actual valuation in your home, you have to have a professional, someone on our team, an appraiser, someone come give you a value in your home, because this is a county-wide number. Remember that. So 89 2 years ago, 90 last year, 93 this year. So again, a steady increase. That's why we see the pattern here. County-wide, prices are going up in general. Sold, this is actually the number of closings that are actually happening in your county. 433 2 years ago, 344 last year, and 384 this year. So again, a little variation here. We had a big dip last year. We're back up again a little bit, but we'd like to see those numbers a lot higher in general going forward, maybe around like 500, something like that. But just tight inventory right now, really across the board, across the map. So that's your Genesee County market update. We try to get you guys in and out. If you know anyone that could use this information, I'd appreciate this. Please tag, share. Send it to them. If you're on the podcast, go to @LegacyGroupMI on our YouTube or our Facebook to go comment on there, ask questions, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Appreciate your time and energy. It's the most important thing we have. We'll see you soon.